2019 ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ? ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್, ಹೈಡ್ರೋ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್, ಬಯೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್, ದೆನ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟು ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಹೆಜಾರ್ಡಸ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಬೀಟಾ ಗ್ಯಾಮಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಎಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸು ಡೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಇದರಿಂದನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಬಯೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್, ಓಕೆ, it reduces the air pollution. Okay, whatever methane produced methane we use to what we use as a fuel. Okay, that's why what the amount of emission of carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide or other gases reduces. That's why it's eco-friendly. Option C, right answer. Next, identify the emergent ray in the given figure. Emergent ray, okay, this is a what? Incident ray. Okay, then this is the dispersed ray. Okay, then once again what refracted ray. This is also refracted ray, this is also refracted ray. Then they asked emergent ray. Which ray? Emergent ray. Okay, then emergent ray here, emergent ray. Okay, which one means it's incident, it's a refraction, and because of refraction this is also produced, but what? It's emerged ray. It's what? Emerged ray. That's why CD is the answer. Which one? CD is a answer. C, D. See here, it's a C, it's a D. This ray is called emerged ray. Then option A, right answer. Option A, right answer. A piece of a metallic wire of a resistance R is cut into 3 equal parts. These parts are then connected in a parallel. These parts are connected in a parallel. Okay. If the total resistance of this combination R dash, then the value of R is to R dash. The value of R is to R dash. If we cut whatever the wires metallic resistances are, those pieces are cut into 3 pieces, then its ratio 9:1. Okay, R is 9 and R dash is equal to 1. Because it is connected in parallel, the total net resistance decreases. So 9:1. The name of the devices are given in A column A, and corresponding functions are given in B column. Match them, right answers. Okay, nowadays they removed which one? Match the following. In current question paper there is no match the following. Okay, then commutator, fuse, galvanometer, electric generator. Okay, then we have to see detects the presence of electric current. Which one? It's a galvanometer. Detects the presence of electric current. Then converts what? Mechanical energy into electric energy. It's a what? Electric generator. Measure the potential difference. They're not given here. Voltmeter, that's why not applicable. Shows the direction of motion of conductor. Shows the direction of motion of conductor. 1 minute, we have to see. Protects the electric appliances. Okay, that's also right. Reverse the direction of current. Converts the electric energy into mechanical. It's a motor. It's a motor, then not applicable. 2 are we already matched. Protect the electric appliances. Fuse. Okay, galvanometer detects the presence of electric current. Then fuse protects the electric appliances. Electric generator convert a mechanical energy into electric energy. Now commutator remained. Commutator reverse the direction of current. Reverse the direction of current. Then C. Okay, we have to see the answers. First one, A. Commutator reverse the direction of current. It's whatever we guessed, that's right. Then protects the electric appliance, that's also right. Which one? Fuse Then third one, what galvanometer, but detects the presence of electric circuit, that's also right. Then option D, electric generator, converts a mechanical energy into electric energy. Both, whatever we match, those all are correct. Then what is the center of curvature of a spherical mirror? The reflecting surface of a spherical mirror forms a part of a sphere. Okay, the center of this sphere is called as a center of curvature. What is the function of pupil of the human eye? The pupil regulates and controls the amount of light entering the eye. What is the function of pupil of the human eye? The pupil regulates and controls the amount of light entering the eye. The next question, a bulb is marked 220 volt and it is connected to 40, what power is 40 watt. Calculate the current flowing through the bulb and its resistance, they asked. Then we already know standard formula for power, P is equal to VI. But what we want to find out here, we want to find out the electric current. That's a formula alters, I is equal to P by V. I is equal to P by V. This is the formula. This formula altered here. Then P, it's a 40 watt. Then potential difference 220 volt. Then whenever we strike out 40, 22s are 20 11s are. I is equal to 2 by 11. 2 by 11. It's approximately equal to 0.18 ampere. We got here what? Electric current. Now what we have to find out? Resistance. Then for finding a resistance, what we use formula? R is equal to V by I. We already know V, 220 volt. Then 0.18 ampere have, if you want to take, or you want to simplify. Okay, you have to take what? 2 by 11. 2 by 11. Then if you take a 2 by 11, it goes to denominator goes to numerator, and whenever it goes to numerator, it turns into it is multiplied. Then 220 into 11 divided by 2. Then 220 into 11, okay, whatever the answer will come, if we divide that answer, what we get? We get a resistance 1210 ohm. Okay, then through bulb 0.1 ampere electric current is flowing, and in bulb the produced resistance is 1210 ohm. Then question number 1, what is a Tyndall effect? Name the color that bends the least and the color that bends the most when white light is dispersed by the prism, they asked. And for this question, another R-type question is there that we have to discuss later. The phenomenon of scattering of light by the colloidal particles is called as a Tyndall effect. The phenomenon of scattering of light by the colloidal particles is called Tyndall effect. Then red color bends least and violet color bends most. The next question, the ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length is called as a power of accommodation. Okay, we not seen the question. Okay, what is the question? For that question, our type question is there. What is meant by power of accommodation of eye? What are the far point and near point of the human eye with normal vision? They ask. Then see. The ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length is called a power of accommodation. Far point is infinity and near point is 25 centimeter. Okay. Then next question. Draw a diagram of simple electric motor. Label the following parts: brushes and battery, they asked. Then see. This is the electric motor. Okay. Whatever they given, E, F, G, H, that's a armature. N and S, these are two strong magnetic poles. Then these are whatever the black color they given, these are carbon rings, and these are carbon brushes. These are carbon brushes, and this is the battery. Okay, that's what they ask, carbon brushes and battery. If you label these parts, you will get 2 marks. Here B is a battery, and X, Y, what those are? Those are carbon brushes. Then list the characteristic of good source of energy. If you would do a large amount of work per unit volume or mass, it's a good source of energy. It should be easily available means it's a good source of energy. It should be easy to store means it's a good source of energy. It should be easy to transport means it's a good source of energy. It should be economical means it's a good source of energy. Draw a neat label diagram to show the formation of image by convex lens when the object is at 2f. The object is at 2f. Then see, whenever the object is at 2f, okay, whenever the object is at 2f, f and 2f, the image is also formed at 2f. Okay, slightly they given 2f convex lens. Okay, previous video, whatever 2022, okay, whatever we discussed video, in that video I think slightly it's wrong, because this is the convex lens. Okay, then if we take this is a f and this is a 2f, and here also f and 2f, if we take, okay, object is placed at a 2f, means one ray parallel to the principal axis passes, and whatever the ray passes from which one, parallel to principal axis, it passes from principal focus. Another ray passes from optic center, and both the rays where they coincide means here it's a 2f1, here it's a 2f2, means the object size and image size both are same. Okay, and we kept the image at we kept the object at 2f, the image is also formed at 2f. Okay, that's why we already seen that one. Then question number 34. What is hypermetropia or farsightedness? Name the types of lens used to correct it. A person with hypermetropia can see a distant objects clearly but cannot see nearby objects distinctly. A convex lens of appropriate power is used to correct it. Convex lens is a convex lens of appropriate power is used to correct it. The next question. A concave lens has a focal length. A concave lens has a focal length of a 30 centimeter. F is equal to 30 centimeter they given. Okay, in concave lens case, whichever the size of whichever side we kept the object, that side only image is formed. That's why it's minus. At what distance should be the object placed from the lens so that its image forms 20 centimeter? It's also v is equal to minus 20 centimeter, because I told for you. Okay, from lens we keep the object at left side, image is also formed at a left side. Then what they asked, okay, at what distance should be the object is u, they asked u is equal to question mark. Then easily we have to find out this. Lens case 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f is a standard formula, but what we want to find out, 1 upon f. That's why this one minus 1 upon u, okay, goes to that side. If it goes to that side, what happens? It turns into plus. Then 1 upon v remains as it is, and here plus 1 upon f, if it come inside, it turns into 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon what? U. Then this formula 1 upon v minus 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon u is written in the form of 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon f. We already know v, it's a minus 20, and we already know f, focal length, minus 30. 20 30 LCM is 60. 23 is 60, that's why minus 3, and 32 is how much? 60. That's why here minus it changes into plus, then plus 2. That's why 1 upon u is equal to minus 1 upon 60. Whenever we make the reciprocal, then u is equal to minus 60 centimeter. The object distance is at 60 centimeter. Then magnification m is equal to v upon u. In lens cases, okay, here positive sign is there. In mirror cases, it's a negative sign is there. That's why u minus 20 centimeter and v minus 20 centimeter, u minus 60 centimeter, minus cancels, then remains 20 by 60. 0 0 also cancels, 2 by 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are, that's why 1 by 3. Then magnification of image is lesser than the size of the objects, that's a 0.33. okay, if it answer comes 1 means same that of a size of the object, but here it answer came to approximately 0.33. 0.33 means the size of the object and compared to image, okay, magnification reduced, okay, that's why the whatever the image is found, that image is what, lesser than the size of the object. Then question number 40, define electric potential difference, how ammeter connected in an electric circuit. For what? First question for 4 marks. And second question, explain the application of heating effect of electric current in an electric bulb and fuse used in an electric circuit, they asked. Then see, electric potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit carrying some current is defined as the work done to move a unit charge from one point to other. An ammeter is always connected in a series in a circuit through which the current is to be measured. Then second one, a strong metal with high melting point like a tungsten which gets very hot and emits light is used in an electric bulb. If a current larger than the specified value flow through the circuit, then the fuse melts and breaks the circuit. Okay, what they asked there, explain the application of heating effect of electric current in an electric bulb and fuse used in an electric circuit, they asked. And for this question, another one R type question is there, that's what, state the Ohm's law, explain the factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends. Then see Ohm's law. The potential difference V across the ends of a given metallic wire in an electric circuit is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, provided its temperature remains same. Then the resistance of a conductor depends on the following factors: length of the conductor, area of cross section, nature of the material, and temperature. Okay, if you write any 2 points, you will get 1 mark here. Resistance is directly proportional to length of the conductor, and resistance is inversely proportional to area of cross section. Okay, up to now whatever we discussed the physics part. Okay, then in next clip we are going to discuss chemistry and bio. Okay, hopefully these videos are helpful for your preparation of 23 April exam. Okay, share to your friends and other groups. Okay, not forget to subscribe, because more than 90% people of my channel, whatever they are observing, 90% people without subscribers. Whatever I do, new videos related to 10th standard or any other subjects, because I prepare all subject videos except mathematics, but I am trying to do mathematics also. Okay, Kannada, English, Hindi, social science. Okay, science, it's a my subject. Okay, then hopefully you are enjoying this video, and if you want any content related to English medium, okay, playlist is there, several topics I discussed there. Go and watch those videos. Hopefully those are useful for you. Thank you so much.